Okay, my name is Jimmy Ann and my project is the key reminder. So the problem is that keys are an essential part of our daily routine, and a lot of people forget to bring their keys when they go out of their house or their room, especially me. According to Infogram.com, a total of 3,680 hours or 153 days is spent searching for stuff over our lifetimes. In China, there's like 1 million people losing their keys at night, in the night every year, and in Japan, that many people lose their keys, and in America, that many people lose their keys every night. And that's only car keys. For house keys, the data looks like this. My goal is trying to solve the struggles of losing or forgetting your keys. To make it smaller and more compact in the future, to make it easier to set up. How does my solution work? My solution, it has 2 ultrasonic sensors and 1 LED, wires, Arduino, reed switch, and a buzzer. Reed switch is to detect the magnet that is put on a case for the keys, and there is a key hanger here where you put your keys on there, and there's currently a magnet here, and if you take the magnet out, the Arduino detects that the keys aren't there anymore, and the LED will light up. Currently, I took out the buzzer because it's being very annoying. So it should buzz for like 10 times straight if you walked outside the house with and the keys are still there. And the 2 ultrasonic sensors detect if you're going inside the house or outside the house, because if the first one triggers from the left side and the next one is triggered on the right side, then you're going outside, and if you're going in, it's the opposite. And the case is printed with 3D printer, and yeah. So this is the hardware, and this is what it looks like inside. That's the 9-volt battery, and these are the ultrasonic sensors. That's the LED, and that's the Arduino. And the reed switch is placed inside the key hanger. So this is how my code works. It's scanning for the distance in the first sensor to see if there is anyone walking through it. And then it scans for the distance in the second sensor to also see if you're walking through that. If you only walk through the first one and didn't walk through the second one, it won't count it as you walk through it. And after you walk through it, it detects which way you're going, in or out. And if the keys are still on the key hanger, then it will alert you with buzzing. And if it doesn't, then it won't do anything, and it repeats over time. This is the cost/materials. Materials are these, and basically all of them are in our Arduino kit, which costs $59.99 full price. But a lot of this only used a few of the components in the full cost. So my product hasn't really been done before. Other products on the market are more like a anti-loss key, where if you go farther than like 5 meters from your keychains, it will alert you or text you on your phone. None of them are like reminding you to take your keys outside the house. For example, a product called Tile, the Tile Pro replaceable battery 2-pack is $55 plus $3.44 tax. But it does not do what mine does. It reminds you, and it records the last place you kept your keys, but this one will prevent that completely. Summarize, my product is not in any way similar to the other ones sold right now. Maybe it will be, but not right now. This product can really change your daily life, and it can save you a lot of time by not losing your keys and not spending so much time trying to find stuff every year. And my future goals is to make it smaller, easier to set up, and hopefully adding something that can actually alert you by texting to your phone, maybe an app that can control it through your device. And the stage I'm on right now is the prototype stage, and it will have more features yet to come.
So you talked about a magnet that's there where you hang the key, is it? Mm-hmm. And that detects whether the key is placed there or not. Okay.
Jamie, I really enjoyed the question that you decided to take on. I have a question and a comment just to clarify. This only helps if you're forgetting your keys leaving your own house, not if you're leaving like some other place, right? Okay, but still important. The comment is, I think it's a really nice idea, and along with your other goals, I think the aesthetics of the key holder will be important in marketing your product.
I thought the idea of the double trigger, having 2 sensors, is really smart. I think my question would be if, for example, you have 4 people in your house, or if you're just going out for like a quick stroll in your backyard, for example, is there a way to make it more convenient for people to go in and out of your house when you don't need your key?
If there's like multiple people walking through the thing at the same time, it will only detect the first person, then it will pause for a second because it will, so it will stop and then it will wait for like a few seconds, then it will start detecting again, or else it will be very annoying.
Yeah, I like the idea very much. In fact, when I travel, I often forget my keys in hotel, and I have to call the front desk. So maybe if you could also kind of talk to some of the hotel service group, they probably will have interest of similar concepts.
I will have to improve my project first before I contact anyone else, so it just seemed like a silly idea.